Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Under 5, where tech meets simplicity in just under 5 minutes. Today we are breaking down smart contracts, what they are, how they work, and real world use cases. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a smart contract? A smart contract is simply a piece of code stored on a blockchain that says if X happens, do Y. Once the conditions are met, it executes automatically. No middleman is required. You write the rules once, deploy them, and the blockchain enforces them forever. You might wonder why they are called smart. It is because they're autonomous. Once live, no human can stop them. They are also deterministic. Same inputs always yield the same result. And they are trustless. Participants rely on code and consensus, not on one another. Here's an analogy to make it simpler. Think of a vending machine. You insert a coin, select a snack, and it automatically dispenses your candy. A smart contract works the same way. You send crypto to contract's address, call its buy function, receive tokens or assets back. No clerk is needed, just code doing its job. You might be thinking that smart contracts sound like a code that programmers do every day. The code is executing if else scenarios where if the if condition happens, execute action A, otherwise do nothing. And you're correct in thinking that. Smart contract in its core is simply just code. However, it differs from regular code in the sense that once deployed on the blockchain, it cannot be changed, unlike the regular code, which can be stopped and patched, which makes smart contracts bring trustless automation, 24/7 execution, transparent audit trails, but also irreversible bugs which can lock funds, gas fees, and scalability limits. Oracle dependencies for off-chain data as well. Here's another analogy on what conditions you can see in a smart contract. Imagine a crowdfunding campaign. A smart contract will automate deadline enforcement and will accept funds only before a set date. Next would be the minimum contribution and will reject anything below the floor. Things like finalization guard, which basically finalizes once so that there are no duplicate payouts, and goal verification. It will send funds if goals are met, or any refunds will be returned if goals are missed. And lastly, reentrancy safety. It zeros balances before refunds. Here are some live examples of how smart contracts are powering real world applications. First, in supply chain tracking, Walmart records every step of the product's journey on chain, ensuring transparent, tamper proof provenance. Next would be the NFTs royalties. Artists embed royalty rules so that they receive payments automatically whenever their NFT is resold. And then tokenized real estate. Property ownership is fractionalized into tokens, which distribute rent and profits via smart contracts. Ultimately, our question is, why do smart contracts matter? Without smart contracts, blockchains are just immutable ledgers, slow, manual, and limited to logging transactions. With smart contracts, they become global, decentralized computers that run applications, move value, and enforce agreements automatically. That's why they are the backbone of applications such as DeFi, Web3, and tomorrow's digital services. If you want to learn more about what DeFi is, check out this video next. And thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. Until next time, this is Tech Under 5, keeping tech simple.